Hello, Mr. Chan again. We've made it through our first game. We created a game where you shoot no, not penguins. You shoot fish at penguins, and you're a dragon, and you're trying to get points. But instead of doing a shooting game, today we're gonna start on our new one. It's basically gonna be a maze game. You're gonna start as a little cat, the Scratch Cat, and you're gonna go through a maze and get your way to the taco. And if you touch the sides, you have to start from the beginning. The aim is to get the taco again. So first and foremost, the way we're gonna start is we don't have to move this guy because we're gonna use the Scratch Cat. But he is a little too large, so we're gonna make him say 20% of his size, and we're going to move him to the bottom left hand corner of the screen. So again, trusty green flag clicked, and we're gonna move him to that spot. So I'm gonna let's just say for now it's negative 220 and I don't know negative 180. Let's see where he pops up. So that's a little too low. Let's make that negative 150. That's about right. Cool. So the next spot is to bring in that background. So the way we do that, I'll just delete that one. The way we're going to do that is we go to choose backdrop. Oh no, actually not. We're not going to choose backdrop. We're going to go to upload backdrop because we have our own special one. You're going to find this maze on your own on Google Classroom. It should be in the same post as this lesson. Um, so we're going to we're going to click and drag across this entire map, and you're going to see these blue kind of box turn up, and then we're just going to click and drag this up to the corner there, click and drag this, oh, and then we're going to click and drag this corner down to here, and maybe click and drag this guy all the way over here, so then it fills up the whole box. Cool. So now we have our map, we have our cat, but the problem is, we go to a code, we don't have any code for the cat, so when we press green flag, we press up, down, left, right, nothing happens. So let's start with that. Let's go to our trusty when green flag. Oh no, wait, actually we've done that already. So we've got this. We're gonna start with forever, and we're going to get an if then statement and put it in here. Put another one here. I'm gonna do about 4 for now. Okay. So and then we're gonna go to sensing. When key up pressed, we need the cat to move upwards. So we're gonna go. So up and down is Y. So we're gonna go change Y by say 2. So if we press the green flag now, the cat can go up. Cool. Let's try putting in the down key. So go key down arrow pressed, and we're gonna go change Y by 2, negative 2, because we want them to go down if we press the down key. So now it's up and down. Cool. Now we're gonna do the left key. It should be in sensing. Again, key. Let's say left key. We could go to. Oh no, not this one. We want to change X by negative 2 because because it's the X now. So we can go up and down left. And the last one is the right key, right arrow, and we're gonna go to change X by 2. So we're gonna get, now we can move up, down, left, right. Cool. Problem is when we hit the black walls, the game continues. It should stop and put us back here. So we're gonna go to if. I'm gonna put that about here. And we're gonna go to sensing, and notice that the color of the walls are black. So we're gonna go touching color. I'm gonna put it in here, and we're gonna look for, bring this all the way down to black, all and down to 0. Excuse me. And when that happens, we're going to force the cat to go back to this spot. Oh, actually it's at negative 220, negative 150, so let's put that in here. So when he touches the colors, he returns back to this spot right here, which means he has to start again. What was it? A negative 150. So now when you press the green flag, hits the walls, he has to start again. Yeah. Okay. Problem is we don't have a goal at the moment. We don't have a taco, so why don't we get a taco? We got to choose a sprite. We're gonna go search. We're gonna look up taco. Here we go. Got a taco now. It's a massive taco. We probably want to make that smaller. Why don't we make that 20? Oh, geez Louise. Kind of messed that up. Let's make it 20% its size. Bring it all the way up here. So, got an events, trusty when green flag clicked. And we're going to make sure it goes to, yeah. So, every time the green taco is going to appear there. Alright, so, cool. Problem is, again, this is cool. We've got the taco, we've got the black walls working, but when the cat touches the taco, we want to have it so that when he wins again, when he touches the taco, the cat says something. He will say, "Yay, you win! Try again." That's what it's gonna say, and then the cat's gonna come back to here. So the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna go to if then again, do another if statement, and we're gonna go touching taco, touching if the cat is touching the taco, then we want to first of all say this. What did we say? Yay, you win. Try again. Cool, for 2 seconds. And then after that, we want to move the cat back to his original spot. So, original spot was negative 220, negative 150. Cool. So, I'm going to try to get there. Let's see if I can make it, eh? Bear with me. I'm going to go slowly wins the race. Let's go. Ooh, all right. Should have made this game a little easier so that it wouldn't take so long to win, but okay. There we go. The scratch cat says, yeah, you win, try again, and then off you go. So that's a simple game. It only took me, what, 8 minutes to make? Yeah. So you notice as well that in the first game, you got a shooting involved. You got the fish shooting out of the dragon's mouth, and you got a maze here. It's kind of similar to that tank game y'all always play. I can't remember exactly what it was, but you had multiplayer, you had different tanks. That is something that you could think of making for your own game in this term. But that's just a thought. So thank you for listening. Look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.